Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In my last video, you guys would have seen me cutting the aloe vera plant and doing my own mix using my favorite oils and stuff. If you haven't, be sure to check it in the iCards above. Now today I'll be discussing the benefits or pros of using this raw aloe vera gel for locks in terms of retwisting or interlocking. And of course, I'll be talking about this while you see me retwisting my hair with my mix. So, as for the way I do it, it's pretty simple. I just section out my hair and finger parts. I don't typically use combs or anything like that. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So I just use my fingers to part the section and to separate any sections that might have meshed together. So let's get into these benefits and pros. The first one that I like to mention is that the product, in this case the aloe vera, is raw. So unlike when you buy aloe vera gel, there are no harmful additives to do any or to have any negative effects on your hair. The other thing is that this mixture cools the scalp, or I shouldn't even say mixture. Raw aloe vera on the scalp is very cooling. My scalp has never felt more refreshed after a retwist. More fresh and light and just cool. And well, that goes to my next point. It's light, so it prevents buildup. And another thing that I noticed throughout this entire process, at no point in time were my hands or my hair feeling greasy. It was amazing. In addition to all of this, I can't forget at all to mention the most amazing thing, well, at least one of, was that when you use raw aloe vera, your hair dries super quickly because the product is so light. I don't know. I've heard other people said this before, and to be honest, I didn't know if to believe it. But after trying it, it was crazy. By the time I reached the section that you guys are seeing me retwisting, the back of my hair was already dry, and I don't really take long to retwist my hair, probably about a half hour. And that is me filming. So if I wasn't filming, maybe 20 minutes. That's also a pro of having bigger locks. But anywho, another thing that I noticed is that because of the content of the aloe vera plant, it having so much water allows your hair to be very moisturized. It reduces dryness and seals in that moisture. In addition, due to it not being, heavy and due to it preventing buildup and drying quickly and not being greasy and not leaving any residue and being moisturizing, it reduces dry and flaky scalp. And due to the product being so light and natural, there isn't a problem with itching. Of course, this could vary from person to person, but generally, itching is a thing of the past because it's also very cooling, as I would have mentioned earlier. The aloe vera plant also has antiviral and antibacterial properties, and it has vitamins and minerals which help improve hair health. It's also a natural conditioner, so it adds a lot of shine and smoothness, and it has some really nice slip which allows you to part your hair pretty easily. When your hair is well moisturized, it creates more elasticity as your hair is able to stretch without breaking. Therefore, another good quality of the aloe vera plant is that it helps strengthen your hair. It also helps you to reduce frizz because it actually has a really nice hold. And lastly, well, my last point is that it encourages new growth. Therefore, it aids in thickness and overall health of your hair. All these great properties of the aloe vera gel and well, the plant in general. And because at home we have so many aloe vera plants, I think I'll now be doing all my retwists from now on with my raw aloe vera gel mix. So if you were on the fence before, I think that you have more than enough reasons to try this gel for your next retwist. And who knows, you might fall in love with this gel just as much as I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.